In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Mailbox in new Outlook. Whether you're using the new Outlook app on your desktop or the web version in a browser, the process is the same and only takes a few minutes. First, open Settings. Look to the top right corner of New Outlook and click the gear icon. That opens the Settings panel so you can reach the export tools without hunting through menus. Next, navigate to Privacy and Data. In the left panel, select General, then choose Privacy and Data. This is where Outlook keeps options related to your information and how it can be downloaded. If you don't see this right away, make sure you're in the new Outlook experience, not the classic version. Now, initiate the export. On this page, click Export Mailboxes. In some layouts, you might simply see Export under Files. Either one takes you to the same place. This begins the process of preparing a copy of your Mailbox for download. You'll see a short wizard. Click Get Started to begin, then follow the on-screen prompts. The wizard guides you so you don't have to memorize anything. Here you'll confirm what you want and proceed step by step. When asked to select content, choose exactly what you need. You can export the entire Mailbox, or zero in on specific mailboxes or folders. If you only need certain projects or time periods, selecting just those can speed things up and reduce the file size. Keep in mind that large mailboxes with many attachments may take longer to prepare. Finish out the wizard to complete the request. Outlook will process the export in the background and send you an email with a secure link to download your .pst file. A PST is a standard Outlook data file that contains your messages, folders, calendar items, and more in a portable format. The email may take a little time to arrive depending on the size of your selection. If you don't see it after a while, check your junk or spam folder. When the link arrives, download the file to a trusted device and store it somewhere safe, because it contains your Mailbox contents. Also be sure you have enough space on your drive for the download. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.